Why are we apart? You can feel the spark, it's the magic hour. I want to fly you away to a place where our souls can't escape, where I can get lost in your eyes for days, and you'll beg me to stay.